Hey, welcome back to Petty's Garage. We're going to give you a quick recap on the Corvette. We've done a few things since we last spoke about it. To start with, we've mounted the hood. We've buttoned up the engine compartment. We have actually fired it. Runs great. We did have to change an intake to enable us to fit the hood. That big block, it came with a little high-rise intake, and it needed to be swapped out for a period correct big block intake for a hood of this style. The headers actually aren't as loud as I thought they were going to be. It's really nice to just hear a low rumble instead of a loud roar at idle. I don't know what it does at wide open throttle. I'll never find out. But brake system's bled out. It's got good solid brakes. We've got a windshield installed. We haven't finished the trim work around it yet, but that's coming soon. We did some interior work and we're waiting on door glass. So we'll get the door glass in, then we can do the door panels. But we have got the gauges in, the lower dash, center console, steering wheel. The power steering system works really well. I was pleasantly surprised. It has a real nice assist to it, and you don't hear any noises from a motor. I think it's going to become a little more popular than I thought it would. We've got some tail lights in it now. Little bling around the license plate. Got the frame is installed for the soft top. We just have to send it to interior. Let them do their deal on covering it. It's a pretty tricky task. One we're probably not willing to take on here. So we've got the of course all this is aftermarket again. It's just what you're left with these days. These cars are almost as old as I am, and they'll show their age, and when you're putting them back together, you want to be really nice. The gauges fit. We've gone with all new gauges. I've mentioned the vintage air before. It tucks up really nice. It's very difficult to see it unless you really know what you're looking for. Power windows work great. The customer had requested a wood steering wheel, and he was specific to have rivets in it. This was probably the best one for his car. It is a little bit smaller, but that also helps getting in and out of the car, although it does have a tilt wheel. But with that power assist, you don't need a big giant steering wheel to have the leverage that you would in the old days. But everything's starting to come together really nice. We don't have much longer with the car. It's bittersweet. You hate to see it go, but you're glad when it does, I guess. It means you can get on to the next one.